Welcome to EcoCard Solution. This video will cover on the user role management. To access your user role management, all right, so go to your base menu. In here, you will see a user role management. Now, user role management basically assigns the user to a particular role, all right? So in this case, just now I had a test ID assigned to a clerk. Now, I'm going to turn it off. All you have to do is check this on and followed by make sure that you want to update this to the system. All right. So and make sure click save. Once you've done that, then you have changed the role. If you want to assign a different role to the particular uh, user ID, then check these items. Okay. And save. Simple as that. Now, assuming that we want to simulate, okay, no permission, all right? We want to simulate a situation whereby the user do not have a permission to access certain services. For example, um, employee maintenance. Now, right now, I'm logging in as TG1005, all right? Now I'm going to log in as test. Okay, so I'm going to log out from here. I'll see whether I have permission for this now. Click onto this. Yes, I do have permission to access on this. So now I want to turn off the access permission for employee maintenance. Now, question is how do I go about with that? So first thing is log in as the root. Okay, once you log into root, then because the user, okay, test is assigned to clerk. Now you go to the role access. I like clerk, okay, and you do not want the clerk to access to payroll, right? Filter, payroll, okay. Now you see that employee maintenance has been checked on. So all you have to do is check it off, okay. Once you've done that, make sure you click save. Once you've done the save, okay, then this particular role cannot access to employee maintenance. All right. So similarly for all the other functions, it works this way. Now, or alternatively, you want to let the clerk role to be able to perform this function. Okay, then you check it out. All right. So this is how it works. Now I'm going to show it to you. Okay, I'm going to log in as test. Right. Now, what you can see over here is when I click to here, I'll hit an error message. This indicates that you do not have permission to access to this service, all right? And the option is actually open, all right? So now how do I turn this on? All right? So first of all, we start with a new tab. In the new tab, okay, what you need to do is to log out, okay, and log in. Okay, as super user. Once you log in as super user, you go to the role access, okay, and clerk. First of all, this was actually a test user, okay? So you want to set test user, but you first check what are the roles given to the particular user, okay? If you look at the user role, in the user role, you see that the test has been assigned to a clerk role. So if you go back to the role access management, highlight the clerk and search for contains, okay? Now come back to here, copy, goes back to here, paste, and click OK. Now you find that all the employee maintenance options will be made available to you. And you can check, okay, I want this particular person to be able to access to all these functions. Right? This is what you need to do. And then click save. Okay. Once you save, then log in back to your test login ID. You should be able to access it. This column represents different related company, which is Indonesia. The related company, you can switch from one company to the other company by selecting these options. All right. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you.